Hola, bienvenidos. Today we're going to discover the perfect Spanish word for enjoy that will have you dreaming Spanish. Are you ready? Let's dive in. In Spanish, the word for enjoy is disfrutar. Disfrutar encompasses the true essence of enjoyment. It means to savor, relish, and make the most of every moment. Imagine sitting on a beach, feeling the warm sand between your toes, and watching the sun slowly set on the horizon. That's what disfrutar is all about. Or picture yourself strolling through a vibrant city, indulging in the local cuisine, and immersing yourself in the culture. That's disfrutar in action. But disfrutar isn't just about experiences, it's also about connecting with others. It's about sharing joy, laughter, and unforgettable moments with friends and family. From dancing to delicious food to breathtaking views, disfrutar opens up a world of possibilities. So why not ignite your Spanish dreams and start using this beautiful word today? If you want to take your Spanish learning to the next level, please visit the website in the description below. Gracias for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Spanish language tips and tricks. Hasta luego.